Hey, Jeffy.
More! What was that, guy?
Jeffy, I know that you're going to get a drink. What is he talking about, Jeffy?
I don't know.
Tell me.
And then...
Are you actually going to do that?
Maybe.
Hey, Jeffy, I'm going to kill you. And I'm the boogeyman, and I'm going to put the boogers in your butt, and then you're going to explode.
Woohoo! It's gonna be a roller coaster.
But then you won't be alive. And then your mom Nancy will come and get you.
Oh, Nancy is in prison.
Well, I'm gonna break her out next week.
And
Yes, I am.
and
Yes. I don't know. Aren't you scared of Nancy?
maybe.
Well, luckily that's not gonna happen, right, Jeffy? Ow! 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 You know what? That's it. I'm gonna come at you. God, we gotta keep going, right?
Then
What do you mean? He's coming.
I didn't care.
I'm gonna give you a beating.
Oh, God, your heart fucking.
Ugh.
Oh, Poppy. Oh.
You know what? Oh my God, he's coming! Oh, thank God we finally escaped. But subscribe to Mario and Friends. Right, Jeffy?
Ow! See you next time on Mario and Friends.